Igbo ndị ọma na-ege m ntị ekene m unu na ihe a bụ vidiyo ezigbote ihe mwute bụ na ụmụ nwaanyị anyị a na-azị akwanyere onwe ha ugwu na-akwanyere di ha ugwu. Biko vidiyo nwa bụkwa na vidiyo a bi na-enecha ido nwanne gị nwoke aka na ntị, dọọ nwanna gị aka na ntị, maka na ụwa kịta maazị ndị bụ ndị enwere ihe eme na vidiyo anụ ihe maka nwaanyị ya na enyi ya nwoke na-eme oyi mechaa bịa nụ kita the guy na-akwado ije obodo oyibo. Unfortunately, I will not say unfortunately, ka Chukwu si wee zọọ the boy. The guy na-akpazi nkata ka ọ esi na ebe ọgbagote mba ofesi or abandon the guy wee sendịala enyi ya nwaanyị voice note ahụ. Not knowing na enyi ya nwaanyị ahụ ma the boy, and the boy has been a very nice person to them all. That's why I na-asị ihe na-eme ị na-akwụba aka gị ọtọ. Be good to people and be kind to them. Kita anonwa, the voice note we forward earlier this guy when na-echa ya anya mmiri wee gbabịa. Na nke bụ na nwaanyị ọnụrụ anọ si agbagote mba ofesi ọkaba arụ hapụ ya je chọrọ onye ọzọ, maka ndị na-asị na a na-agbadata Naịjirịa bebe anụ nwaanyị na ha na-ebe ni omeza ndị anyị ndị baanyị niile n'obodo oyibo a na-azị alaiki ịgbagote bebe anụ nwaanyị. Echetara m ihe mee mgbe ahụ Mikel Obi na akwado ịnụ nwaanyị onye ọbụla ọnata mgbe ahụ ugwu Awụsa mgbe ahụ onwe ya bụ ọnata mgbe ahụ gbacha bọọlụ ọnata Thanksgiving mgbe a na chọọchị ọ na-aga efu na chọọchị na-enwe times 3 population ha na-enwebu before maka na Mikel nata ha dị mmadụ 500 na chọọchị a 400 bụ nwaanyị ka mma na Mikel ya hụrụ ha, mana ọ pịawazi ha azụ mgbe ọ nọ nwa Russia. Ọ bụ na nwanne anyị nwoke ma ihe ọ na-eme ifu n'otu nwa Naịjirịa ya ka akụ na obi anyị bụ n'ala ndị be ha half jide half na nghọta. Biko mana nee ihe this girl kabara obi na-agwa onye ya na ya na-abụ n'ugolo anụ maka na ọ mara ọgbagote mba ofesi na ndị ọcha nyere women right more than men. Ọ sị ọgbagotegoro ugbo ọ bụ na the guy achọrọ divorce and she will do something that will make the guy divorce, and she will do something that will make the guy to nyanwe hapụ the guy je chọrọla onwe ya onye ọzọ oya na ya na abụ ya na-emekọ. Nene video na na-echa ya a na-anachita azụ.
Now, listen to this conversation between these two ladies. One is already abroad, while the other one is still in Nigeria, planning to come abroad with the husband. Listen to their conversation. You know why people are always scared to come home and pick a wife and come back to Nigeria, to come back abroad. They even go as far as marrying somebody from another country instead of a Nigerian. This is why. This will shock you. You will learn. It will shock you.
Yeah, babe. You know me, I don't love this my husband at all. Like, you get, I don't take anything for this life to love him. Now because in one jagba, now one me agree, say me can marry him. You understand? Like instead, make me a day here, they suffer for this country. I say me kuku marry him, make a deal with him, use this man jagba. After all, you know as I take don't hustle this whole UK matter, all this while for a long time coming, like, but it no work. And I don't see opportunity now, not to use them well. You get, so now make me and reach the UK first. The plan now to leave find my way. Like, me and this man don't do all the normal processing. Everything don't soft, we don't marry, which you actually they are aware of. You get, so now I don't get this very care job or more. He good. But you say like you can imagine the care job. Although no dispute, now the care job they give them visa, so himself and go run my own visa too. So both of us will come UK next month. You understand? But babe, but you self check them now. Okay. But my certain fine rich, my certain hot rich. I go enter UK. My husband na care job you go they do. You say facing them now. I beg. You go clean or you go yash finish. Bath them, do all sorts of you mess. You go come back house, come use the same hand. They touch my fine body. I beg, the matter not too sweet to hear. That one will follow at all because be me. God, I just say make I endure, make I just endure for the time being. Then after we don't reach UK, babe, nothing, nobody fit tell me now to leave my husband, waka, come out, find my way. Now I won't make when I reach, make me and you two, make me and you, maybe two sit down, maybe reason things together, maybe forgive me from out. Well, I feel you take, let this man leave me if you don't reach that way. No, I don't mind anything I go do, anything. If not to enter the point where we say the matter go reach police hand. Where we say I go first time make him beat the police enter police matter. Maybe for make police for later come off my side or make we just separate. Make it use it and pursue me. You understand that kind of thing? I mean, I just want day that way, make a day alright. Cause anything will concern me a Niger man bola, I know they do again. Anything Niger, I don't cut them. Now in book bola I need. All these Niger guys bola now, you don't tire me. You get? So you need put me through, babe. You need put me through. If not to link me up with all those your Igbo them where you they snap with, they post, I they see your updates. I they see them well. If not to link me up, so I go use them whole body, come up for this guy hand. You know, normally I know they like make this guy even they touch me because he know they hate me. If I see himself, if you come bed, you want to touch me, I know they agree him sometimes. Like they always give him a story. You understand? Give him a story here and there. I don't even they enjoy in bed work. Now he let all these kinds of things tire me because I don't even like him in the first place. I don't love him. At that level, let me deal with them. You get? So when I reach UK, I go find way treat my husband, make it for using your hand, pursue me come up by himself. You gonna link me up. Cause I don't go find like this. I don't go find which just maintain myself with my hard-earned money. Can't they be person maybe saying I can't job they do. Waiting they come my side. So babe, don't worry. The plan, you know already. When I reach UK, I know the letter arrest not to bring fire for them. Do what thing go make sure say this man pursue me come out. We separate. Then me and you go day on that level. We go turn it on my ground. You get me? Babes, you get me? You know how to they roll. You know how to they roll. You know how to they run these things. Hey, mommy. Oh, mommy, so bad. So good. So billion kilo day. I wish I 70 minutes by day. Oh, I can't wait to see you. Update you, sweet girl. No. This update is sweet, but then, on the other hand, you know, see my friend, I will clear you truth. I will clear you after. This UK not sweet as dating call. You know, there is a dating call, but more, you know, get me some the rules for this life. You know, get. But I would advise you once to not land, First, calm down. No rush, no rush. You back. Oh, what did I jump at that? So you just have to take it slow. Do you understand? Just to give it 6 months to 1 year. She gets gain your ground, gain your balance. At least within this period of time, if you don't know your do's and don'ts, if you don't know your left and right, you don't understand. Since you're supposed to, since you're not supposed to, you don't know. You understand that kind of thing. At the same time, by then too, you don't feel smuggle your way into the heart of one better guy. You know, say oh shit or dog shit. Yeah, at least you don't smoke your way. No one get one kind of better dude. You understand that kind of thing because as they come under your husband, like you go need another guy we go pet on. You understand? Guy will say you go pet on under your own visa. You need another guy. So just calm down. If now a lawyer will go run the divorce parole, that will not be issue. Me I will say she problem. What's trying to say? Anyway. From segments, lawyer me over she divorcing.
You know, Iwana is married to white here. She yet. So lawyer will go run and no be issue. And what of my lawyer will do because of my jail with me. So he's perfect at it. You don't have an issue with that. But my own is once you land, calm down, rest, gain your ground first. Then during this your gaining ground period, you could still do your horns game. You know understand? But all this will not be issue, Jerry. Just get over here first. I can't wait to see you, baby girl. I can't wait to see you. I swear.
That's Ndi Igbo ajem n'aka n'ụlọ fụcha anya na video biko na ya bụ video bi ihe nwute na-asị biko ọ bụrụ nwanne gị bụrụ nwanna gị ka barụ ndụ ahụ ọdụdụ ka ha wee mara ihe n'oge maka na ihe na-emezi nkịta karịla akara maazị ndị anyị na-aya ndị mekanik ekweze ka mara ndị bụ ndị ala na street wee na-asị biko n'ọbụna osi na ihe ọbụla ị chọrọ ime uche ga-adị ya maka na ọ na-adịzi ya bụrụ ezigbo mmadụ nakwa ọ na-akwụ esi dakele ajọ chi anụnwa in this lady kita the girl ewe na ndụ ya n'iyi kita agbacha na akwụkwọ mechaa everything atacha afọ n'ime iburu n'obi si na ịgbagote mba ofesi ime ihe eji hapụ di gị iwugo na dịga ya chọrọ ịhapụ gị kapa arụ mee ihe maka na gidi all the that they are not always appreciative ihe ọbụla ime gbukwenu ma na they will never appreciate it ọ bụ na mmadụ ya aka obi solu gị mechaa akwụkwọ mee everything niile a na-eme akwụkwọ pụta asị oke ka agaba bụọ na time elugo ya eji wepụ unfortunately ekwensu wee kpawu ya n'aka chi nke nwoke mụkwu anya ọhịa akpa ya bụ iji ibi obodo Igbo ụmụ nwanne anyị niile na abroad 80% to 60% of them no homeless bụ nwaanyị tinye ha n'ọnọdụ ha nọ today nwaanyị pụziri ọzọkọla everything hapụzi ya nwoke chọ na nwoke maka na ihe ọbụla abịa they will make it in favor of nke nwaanyị na ghọta biko kisi na necha ya share live video anụ ka ndị ọzọ soro gị wee mụta anyị nwere mgbe ọzọ